Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Mr. Buddy Millstone. Buddy Millstone, we all thought you were dead.
Well, I'm not. Can I go home now?
Dave, is it time to talk to God yet?
Later, Paul, later. Hey, buddy, it was great having you on the show. Come back and see us again, if you're not dead. In a minute, Paul, in a minute. Right now it's time to bring out our next guest. She's the star of the upcoming film, A Leech of Their Own. Please welcome the lovely and talented Mrs. Angela Fluff. Very nice, yeah. It's fine. Are we going to talk about your appearance all night, Angie?
Well, what else is there?
Well, no. Sorry, I don't know what came over me.
Dave? Yeah, it's time to talk to God yet?
In a minute, Paul, in a minute. Hey, Angie, it was great having you on the show. Come back and see us again if you ever get your hair done. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's talk to... Just a minute, Paul. Right now it's time for the segment of the show we call Stupid Hat Tricks. That's right, a member of our studio audience is going to put a hat on your head using only one hand. How about that?
A minute. Dave, we cannot keep the creator of all things waiting forever.
Of course we can. He's eternal. A day is 1,000 years, or is it the other way around?
But...
Okay, Paul. Just for you, we'll skip the man with the hat, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, our last guest is known around the world as the beginning and the end, the Alpha and Omega. He's all-powerful, all-knowing. His story is told in the most popular book of all times, and he's here with us tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, you better give it up for God!
Dave, I'm afraid we've run out of time.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll just bring God back another night. We can always talk to him later.
What?
Ladies and gentlemen, join us next week when our guest will be the group The Smashing Squashes and a lady who collects used earplugs. Huh? Good night.
Dave, could you go tell God why we didn't have enough time for him?
I'll tell him later.